What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and we are back where it all started, you guys. Well, it didn't all really start here, but I used to review this stuff a lot, and last year I kind of let my yard go, and I have a lot of weed out there, a lot of it looks like fungus, weed, and a whole bunch of stuff. So I have to step it up this year, you guys. So right now, this is the first day of spring, and we will be putting down some weed and feed. This is the first time I'm using this weed and feed right here, Spectracide Weed and Feed, and you have 20-0-0. All right, as far as the feeding goes, and 20 is the nitrogen. So our grass will be super, 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 super green. All right. Now, me doing this, I will be reseeding as well. I know the lawn fans out there is going to be mad at me. I know. Why would you seed in the spring? You're supposed to seed in the fall and treat the weed in the spring. I know, you guys. But can I experiment? I just want to experiment, you guys. Okay. So every time you get a bottle like this, always look at how much it treats. It says it treats up to 7,500 square foot. If you don't know the square footage in your yard, it's the same way as calculating the square footage in your house. You got to go length times width. All right. So you measure from one side of your yard to the other side, and then you measure from here to there, and then you multiply, and then that's your total square footage of your yard. It says peel here. This is the only way you can see the instructions, is peeling right here. So it says peel, and be gentle because you don't want to rip your instructions. So nice and slow. All right. Now, as far as the instruction goes, you guys, this is straightforward. Hook up your water hose right here, and then you have to take this yellow knob off. This is a lock. You take this knob off, you can go ahead and use the product. I did plenty of videos using products like this. I will try to link it in the description. I'll always put relatable products at the end of the video. All right, you guys. So the main thing you want to know that I always get flack for is somebody always yelling at me in the comments, oh, you should have started from outside and then work your way inside. All right. And they are right. So, I can't argue with that. Wow, this is hard to come off. Come on. All right. Now, this bottle is a fairly decent price, but yeah. All right, you guys. So what I mean by starting from the back, which I always get flack on, usually I start from anywhere. Like I might start here and then go like side, 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 side. So somebody got mad because I started from like over here and I went like this way. So they was basically saying I should have started from back here and then go side like that and then work my way back this way. So however you want to do it, it basically, for me, it will end the same. If I start from here and work my way back, I work my way back to my spigot. So that's what you want to do. The goal is to work your way back to your spigot. Let's go ahead, put this together, and start weeding and feeding the lawn. All right, you guys. So once again, this yellow knob right here, you have to take this off. If you don't take this off, your water will not work. All right. Well, your unit won't cut on, not your water. All right. And you see it says on right there with an arrow. Now, one thing I usually preach on this channel is wear your proper PPE. All right. So I do have long pants. I do have proper shoes and stuff like that. One thing I'm not wearing is gloves. Okay. So if your hands are sensitive to chemicals and stuff, please wear gloves. All right. And that's it. So we're going to pull back. Oh, and turn our water on. All right. Turn our water on. Now we pull back. Now, like I said, they said work your way from back to front. But again, I'm going to do what I want to do. All right. So right now I'm going to do the side, and then I'm going to work my way to my corner over here. And it's a little windy. It's a little windy out here, but you see I'm getting all of that up there. I'll work my way from front to back. I don't know what happened to my grass, you guys. It seems like a lot of it died out. We'll still see what happens. It's still growing season. You see it's getting empty. It's only a little bit more chemical. So somebody asked me, and I'm wasting my stuff right now. Somebody asked me, how do I know that the chemical is being used? My chemical was up here. Now it's down here. I should have showed y'all that in the first place, but you see, I only have like a half an ounce. What is that? 4 ounces. I have 4 ounces of chemical left. Look at all of these weeds, man. I don't know how I let all this happen. All of these weeds destroying my lawn. I won't let it happen again. I won't let it happen again. Now we're coming back to the home start, you guys. And that's how you want to do it. Look how my lawn got damaged. My lawn got damaged. I don't know if this is fungus or what happened. Man, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work I gotta do. Definitely be on the lookout for a whole lot of lawn content, you guys. A whole lot. I think I ran out of chemicals. And this is where all my good grass was at too, man. I don't know if y'all call that moss or whatever. It got really mossy back here. It's empty. There's nothing else in here. So only thing that's going to shoot out is water. All right, you guys. So as you can see, some of the weed did turn brown, but over here we have some new weed that popped up out of nowhere. But the weed did turn brown. The grass did grow very quickly. So that fertilizer really do work. I may be giving it a first cut very soon. So stay tuned to that. Follow, and we will see how the rest turn out. But I think with the weed stop that I used to use, the one with the orange on it, I think that works a little bit faster. So this is 2 weeks, and this is the results that we have. And as you can see, like I said, it's turned brown, but it took 2 weeks. So the grass is coming back. We do have some of our bald spots, and we will try to reseed. I know what everybody gonna say, reseeding is not not reseed, but overseeding is not the springtime thing. I know the lawn warriors gonna come after me, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna try to overseed in the spring as well. And then after we overseed, we're gonna wait another month, and then we're gonna try to throw another weed control down. All right. So stay tuned to the seed that I will buy. I will be buying seed from Amazon, and that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, let me know. And also let me know what you think on how the weed control worked on this one, the Scott's fertilizer and weed. And yeah, that will be it. Catch y'all on the next video.